Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track your net worth with Klover. So tracking your net worth with Klover is a simple process that can help you to understand your financial situation. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get that done. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Klover account. You can do that on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app, whichever one it is that you want to use. Just log into your account and then click on net worth and select track net worth. Now you want to enter your assets and liabilities information, and that's going to help you to calculate your net worth, and you can view your net worth and track changes to your net worth over time using Klover. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to track your net worth with Klover. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.